time to do new makeup. And you guys seem to like my kitties.
So it's time to turn into an Ocelot.
Get out all of your supplies, mix, cover face. Fill in the white spots and the brown spots. There is lots and lots of brown spots. And then basically you just add a little bit of brown and add a bunch of hair everywhere, and now I'm adding black to all the brown spots to make them the correct color. Add some more spots. Put the white into your yellow. We're going to add highlights to the fur. It's nose time, and ocelots have like the cutest, most pink little nose. Oh, just look at the little boop star. Add your whisker dots. Don't forget to cover your ears. Contacts time. Whatcha! Beautiful, stunning. Onto the eyelids. One of them was bothering me, but I'm gonna put the other one in soon. A kitty needs ears, so let's attach them. Ears are on, let's do the hair. Whatcha! Hair's done. Now we gotta do lips, add teeth, and we're done. Oh, bam! What do you think? I really like it.